Welcome to ISARION. Let's walk through how our platform brings clarity to your information, IT, and cybersecurity compliance. It starts with a secure entry point, providing a centralized gateway to your organization's entire information, IT, and cybersecurity posture. Once logged in, the dashboard offers an immediate visual summary of your assessments and overall compliance health. For international teams, ISARION supports multiple languages, including English, German, and French at a single click. Navigate between modules effortlessly to monitor your key performance indicators and maintain a structured overview. Managing your team is easy. View all active users and their assigned roles in one centralized management view. Inviting members is seamless. Simply enter their details and assign specific roles, like auditor, for precise control. You can also deep dive into assessment management to track the progress of every compliance audit in detail. ISARION transforms information, IT, and cybersecurity complexity into operational clarity. Visit isarion.io to start your journey today.